Today, I'm going to show you how to change a car that has a low suspension to the standard suspension. This is a BMW. It has a very low suspension. It's all about this spring that is here. It's turned to low now to put it on a standard spring so that the car can be on a standard suspension. So I have to start by using this bolt here, 1, 2, 3. These 3 bolts. Let's go out. So I will have to put him. I want to put a mark here so that when I'm putting it back, there will not be any problem putting it back. So I just put the white dots. You have to support it with one hand. You're losing the last bolt. This is the standard spring, and it was for the lower suspension. So we're going to change it to this one. Because observe one thing, this smaller part, that is for the upper side, and the bigger side is for the lower side. So don't make a mistake of turning it other way around. That's front suspension.